Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you 0 to 3 month size headband for absolute beginners. I am using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and 2 strands of 3 ply yarn together. You can use a 4 ply yarn as well. I have made the headband already. Now I will just show you how to make 2 or 3 rows. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, 7 and then 8. After making 8 chains, make 2 chains to start the first row. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into the third chain from the hook and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is called our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 and then pull the yarn through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet into the next chain, then a double crochet stitch into the next one, then make a double crochet into the next chain, and in this way we would make double crochet in each of these chains. We have 8 base chains, so at the end of first row we would get 8 double crochet stitches, one in each chain. So here is our last chain. Make a double crochet stitch in this last chain and our first row is completed. To start the second row, make 2 chains again, turn up the work and into the very first stitch make a double crochet, then into the next stitch make a double crochet, then into the next one make a double crochet, into the fourth one make a double crochet, then into the fifth stitch make double crochet, then into sixth stitch make double crochet, into the seventh one make a double crochet, and here is our last stitch. You can see these 2 loops of this last stitch. Make a double crochet in this last and 8th stitch, then make 2 chains, turn up the work and into the very first stitch make double crochet, then into the second stitch make double crochet, then into the third stitch make double crochet, and then into the fourth one make a double crochet, and in this way we would make 8 double crochet stitches for the third row, and we would repeat these rows until we get the required size for our headband. My headband is approximately 6.5 inches. Recommended is 7. But this headband is having stretch, so I have made it half inch less than recommended size. Now with the help of needle we are going to join these 2 sides together. So join this yarn to the first stitch of the other side and then pull the yarn through both side stitches and make a knot like this. Now pull the needle through second stitch of both sides, then from the third stitch on both sides pull the needle and weave these sides together till the end and weave these yarn ends as well. Now we are going to make flower, so wrap the yarn around fingers like this, pull the second yarn through first one to make a magic ring. Make chain 1 and then chain 2, then double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 into this magic ring, make chain 1, chain 2, make a slip stitch into this magic ring, make chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1 and then chain 2, slip stitch into the magic ring, again chain 1, chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, chain 2 and a slip stitch into the magic ring. We have 3 petals, make 3 more petals with the same pattern. So I have completed 6 petals. Now pull the starting yarn and pull the ending yarn as well, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand and pull the starting yarn end to close this hole. Now with the help of needle, weave these yarn ends and join it to the headband either with the help of glue gun or you can sew it with the needle as well. I have attached it with glue gun. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.